Only one panel has the look you want. Only one panel gives you the power you need. Only one panel, the PowerXT from Solaria, combines a 25-year product warranty with the most advanced solar technology. Founded 20 years ago by experts in the solar and semiconductor industries, Solaria had one goal: reinvent solar. And they did, with numerous innovations designed to optimize performance, increase reliability, and reduce cost. Solaria revolutionized commercial solar by creating a new tracking system, NextTracker, that went on to become a global leader in utility-scale solar. And they've applied that same innovation to residential solar, developing the most advanced solar panel you can buy today, the Solaria PowerXT. These American innovators started by looking at standard solar panels and asking, how can we improve them? They saw dead spots that produce no power, bus bars that create failure points and efficiency loss, and series wiring inside the panel that leads to dramatic power loss when even just one cell is shaded. Solaria created a panel that has no bus bars, no dead spots, and parallel substrings that allow the panel to produce maximum power even when a portion becomes shaded. Solaria's patented technology cuts solar cells into 5 equal strips. These strips are then aligned with a very slight overlap, like the shingles on your roof. That overlap, along with conductive adhesive, eliminates the need for bus bars, providing a sleek, attractive, more powerful and reliable panel. And Solaria panels provide greater value, producing 20% more power than the same number of traditional panels. Backed by a 25-year product and performance warranty, Solaria has been top-rated by the most rigorous third-party quality testing. That's why it's the only solar panel that can give you all the power, reliability, and innovation your home deserves, and look this good doing it. Solaria.